Just came back from my deposit box, safety deposit box, and I thought you'd like to see some of my knives. This consists of about all of them that I have actually. I thought I had more than I did, but nonetheless, they're very nice knives. All of them are Switchblades. This is actually a Switchblade. This case knife I had custom done. See the work in it. A lot of them are AKC swing guards. Oh, I've got some custom knives that I had made. Hubertus. Those are nice. I like those. Different types of blades, Kriss blades, standard blades, Dagger blades. This is an 18-inch. These are 15 inches. All of these. Okay, it stops there at 13 inches. Stops there 11 inches. Stops there, and I think 8.5, I'm not sure. These are beautiful. I got these in Paris. This one is a custom job that I had built. These I got in Amsterdam. These are all different types. Enjoy.